Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Nahmaduhu wa nusalli ala rasulihil kareem. Amma ba'd. Qala Allahu ta'ala: Kutiba alaykumul qitalu wa huwa kurhul lakum wa asa an takrahu shay'an wa huwa khairul lakum wa asa an tuhibbu shay'an wa huwa sharrul lakum wallahu ya'lamu wa antum la ta'lamun. ولا تحسبن الذين قتلوا في سبيل الله أمواتا بل أحياء عند ربهم يرزقون. Respected listeners, I would like to talk to you about the present situation in Gaza, a place where a bloody war is going on. Gaza is a small strip of land along the Mediterranean Sea. It's a place that has been in the news for a long time due to complex and difficult situations. Thousands of small kids, women and men are being killed by Israel. However, Gaza has also faced many challenges. It has been at the center of conflicts and disputes with bloody Israel, which have made life very hard for the Palestinians. Israel bombarded and destroyed thousands of houses, mosques and hospitals, and stopped their food, clean water, electricity and access to medical care. More than 1 million people have been displaced as Israel ordered residents of northern Gaza to evacuate to the south. قال النبي عليه السلام: المسلمون كرجل واحد إن اشتكى عينه اشتكى كله وإن اشتكى رأسه اشتكى كله. My brothers, this is the in time to stand with our brothers with all powers, whatever we have by gun, pen, speech, media, boycott or even with prayers. But as far as I know that this is the time to come to the battleground of Gaza and stand and fight side by side with our beloved brothers. It's important for the World UN Charter and especially for Muslim rulers to pay attention to what's happening in Gaza. يا أيها النبي جاهد الكفار والمنافقين واغلظ عليهم ومأواهم جهنم وبئس المصير. My brothers, we must remember that the people of Gaza, just like people everywhere, deserve a chance to live in safety, with opportunities for education and a better life. Let's hope for a time when all people in Gaza and Palestine can live in peace and prosperity. Thank you so much.